Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and today we're doing snow-covered pine trees. Welcome back everybody. First of all, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates, including easy scenery tutorials like this one. Now today we're continuing with a bit of a Christmassy, wintry theme, and we're going to be doing some snow-covered pine trees. And we're going to be doing a snow-covered version of the easy pine trees that I've already shown you how to make. And if you haven't already watched that tutorial, I will link that right up here in the description below. This is a very easy, very inexpensive way to do snow-covered pine trees. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to take the pine trees that we have already made, and we're going to take this heat gun, or you can also use a hair dryer, and we're just going to crispen up the edges a little bit. You don't want to do too much, but we definitely want to get these edges nice and dry because that's going to make it really easy for all of this. Now we're going to use a little bit of baking soda, and we're going to pour that into a mixing container right here. You can get baking soda for about 50 cents. Next, we're going to be using just some cheap white acrylic paint. I picked this up for about 80 cents for the bottle. This is something you're just going to eyeball. You're going to squirt a little bit in, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to pick up a paintbrush and you're just going to start mixing the baking soda and the white acrylic paint. Now, the white acrylic paint does two things. One, it serves as kind of an adhesive for the texture paste that we're going to be making. You're really going to want this into a pasty type of consistency, and you may need to add a little bit more paint as I'm doing here. And two, baking soda tends to yellow over time, so the white paint in it will keep that white for a lot longer. You want it to be really thick because that actually makes it easier to put on. Okay, so you can see we have our tree here, and we're going to start at the top because typically with these trees, if you look at photos, you're going to have the most snow on the top of the tree because obviously that's where the snow first hits the tree. So we really want to make sure that we get the top of that tree really good and white. Then we're going to go ahead and start working it all the way down the tree. And as we get lower on the tree, we're going to do a little bit less and a little bit less. This is just the effect of snow falling from the sky, and less snow is going to reach the lower branches. And the great thing about the paste consistency that we're working with here is that it really makes it hard to mess this up. This is a hard tutorial to mess up because this is just something, it's natural, so it doesn't have to be even, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to make sure that you're really accentuating those pine tree branches, as you can see right here. And it's just really, you're going to do this until you have a look that you like. And you can see I'm pretty happy with this look right here. I've got a nice even coating. I've got a little bit of a lopsided part on top, but I'm okay with that. So let's go put this on the layout. And I kind of just stuck this right here, not where it would typically be, but I just want to kind of show you the final product of what the tree looks like on the layout. And I did sprinkle a little bit of baking soda around it to do a little bit of snow. So that is our snow-covered pine trees for super cheap, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I know it was a quick one this week, but if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates, including easy scenery tutorials like this one. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading.